So welcome back. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with LJ. And today I'm gonna make some s'mores. I've never made them. I never actually had an actual s'more. I might have had something that had s'more-like flavor, but I've never had a s'more. And in the hood, that's not one of the treats that black people usually get. So I want to make one, a couple of them, and see how it goes. So join me. So I'm gonna make them a little bit different. I'm gonna make them my way. So first I'm gonna put down some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna put the graham crackers on top of the aluminum foil. I never made this, so I'm kind of excited to see how it turns out. Now that the graham crackers are set, the next thing I'm gonna do is melt the marshmallows, and I'm not gonna burn them. I'm just gonna put them in a skillet and do it because it's easier and it's safer and it's cleaner. Question: how many of you have s'mores, like homemade s'mores? And how many of you have made s'mores to the point where you have done something different with your s'mores? If you have, put it in the comment section. I'd like to hear the unique ideas that you guys came up with. So once the marshmallows is melted, or it gets to a point of being melted how you want to, I started to put the fudge in a bowl and put it in the microwave and heat it up for about 10 to 15 seconds, if that, to let it melt so I can pour it on top of the marshmallow for the s'mores. And that's chocolate fudge. Chocolate fudge. The hard part but fun part. My goal is to get as much as on there as possible, but hopefully not run over too much or to just get messy. Because it's fun, but I also want to be able to pull my fingers, keep my fingers from sticking together or getting it on my clothes as well. So, but in all, it's been an interesting process. I chose to do it like this because I didn't feel like using a flame to burn it and then it drip down and burn me. So I wanted to avoid pain and injury. So I chose to do it this way. I'm sure everyone has their own way of doing it, but I'm anxious to see what it tastes like, because like I said, I never had a real s'more. I gotta put the chocolate fudge on there. Oh, okay. Do any of you guys make your s'mores and like cut the graham crackers into shapes, if you know how to like make it where you can cut it without it breaking apart? I decided to do this s'more video. I thought about getting some of the biggest s'mores some of the biggest graham crackers I can find, and then making like a giant s'more or something like that, but I couldn't find any, so I decided to make the original s'more since I have never had it. So now that I put all the marshmallows and the chocolate fudge on there, I'm just gonna finish up with putting the graham crackers on. I had a little bit of a spillover, but not too much. Not bad. I wonder what's the perfect amount to make the s'more the best it can be. So I made these s'mores. I did them the safe way.